So how to fix Messenger not sending messages? First thing, guys, to fix this problem is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find the Messenger. When you find it, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the permissions. Make sure that every single permission is enabled. Go back, click on data usage, disable the background data, go back, click on storage, click on clear data, click on delete. And now go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless ad networks, and now enable the airplane mode like this, and after 5 seconds disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.